Hi everybody, welcome to your ultimate bachata training series, the only video series you will ever need for all the foundations of bachata. My name is Danny Kalman. I will be your coach. I'm a full-time professional dancer based here in Los Angeles, California. Been dancing for many years, many different styles of dance. I love to perform, I love to compete, and I love to teach. Today I'm dancing with the beautiful and amazing Devon Katrina, also based here in Los Angeles, California. Bachata is a dance that comes from the Dominican Republic, small island in the Caribbean. It has recently spread all over the globe like fire. It has evolved very quickly as that has happened. Sometimes it's now called urban bachata, modern bachata, sensual bachata, romantic bachata. These are all titles that describe basically the same thing, which is the evolution of bachata as it has spread around the world. And this is what you are going to be learning. We're going to start today with the basic step. To make this happen, we're going to face away from the camera so it's easy for you to see what's going on. You'll notice that I'm wearing one red shoe on the left foot, a black shoe on the right foot. This is just to help you see what's going on while we're dancing. So, we're going to start by stepping our left foot to the left on one. We go. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 8. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Couple things that you'll notice, we're taking very small steps. When people first start dancing, I often see them taking huge steps, and I guess maybe because that feels exciting, which it can be. But taking small steps is going to help us stay on beat with the music more easily, and then when we start partnering, it's going to keep us connected to our partner as well. So we want little steps. You'll also notice that on 4 and 8, when we tap, we're bringing the feet together. It's not that this is absolutely mandatory, but it's just cleaner when you're dancing. So we'll start to build that habit now, right from the beginning. So let's do it again. Go ahead and join us and dance with us so we start to get used to it together. 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 2 more times, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Beautiful. You can repeat that as many times as you need to get comfortable with it. We're going to move on to the next video where we will learn the basic bachata turn. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're delighted to bring this information to you and to the world for free. If you enjoyed this, found it useful, the greatest gift you could give to us is sharing this with your friends. Hit the like button. If you have questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. More than happy to interact with you guys on this stuff. Hit the subscribe button as well. This is your ultimate bachata training series, the only video series you will ever need for the foundations of bachata.